Hello, my name is John Erickson. I'm 6 feet tall, and I live in Los Angeles, California. Accelerate. We gotta go. Is that taser bedazzled? Christmas gift from my girl. She's very thoughtful. You got what you need? These fuel and weight ratios match exactly when Volkov moved national treasures out of the capital. The Golden Hawk, 400 pounds, used to be above the entrance to Parliament. Disappeared 6 months. 1 day later, the same weight is loaded onto the plane. And thanks to the truly dystopian level of CCTV coverage in England, I tracked the truck carrying it from the private airport to a London townhouse registered in Volkov's name. There's hundreds of items like this. More than enough evidence. I need to write my story and get it to legal. I'll contact my editor now. I'm coming over to secure the safe house. Do not leave. Bradley, it's Hardison. We're gonna get you out. The reset's shut down. We need to fry it. What has enough charge for that? There's a car battery somewhere. From when they were torturing me. Bradley, I like the way you think. Also, sorry. Yeah, that's not cool. I suffered at Volkov's hands. Yes. But so have the Estonian people. Now that he has gone from the president's palace to a prison cell, Estonia will be holding free and fair elections for the first time in a generation.